Hey guys, it's Lisa from Primal Physiotherapy. I am the clinical educator and I'm here to show you 3 exercises that's going to help reduce your back pain today. Guys, exercise number 1 is called child pose. So you sit onto your heels, we're going to reach as far forward as we can. As soon as you go as far forward, we're going to move our arms all the way to one side and hold, and then repeat onto the other side. Exercise number 2 is our glute stretch. So we straighten out one knee, pop the other knee on top, bring your heel towards your bottom as close as you can, and we hold that stretch for 5 seconds. Exercise number 3 is called cat-cow. So we're going to be on all fours, hands are parallel with our shoulders, knees are parallel with our hips. What we're going to do is we're going to round our back and our spine, and then we're going to arch through and look up. What I want you to do, guys, is repeat this exercise 5 times for me. Hope you guys enjoyed the exercises. Make sure you consult a physio before you start any type of rehab exercises. Remember to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more exercise updates.